channel. It's Briana Nichole. And today is going to be on this lovely cute hair that I have installed on my head. If you want to see how I installed it, go ahead and keep watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe. I'm at 12K subscribers. I'm so thankful for you guys, and it's only up from here. Okay, it's always only up from here. So yeah, if you want to see how I installed this wig and the details, go ahead and keep watching. Yeah, follow me on my social networking, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, this hair is from Nadula hair, and I worked with Nadula before, and I love their hair. This lace is so thin and easy to melt. I bleached the knots, and y'all, it looks so good. Like, that is my scalp. That is my scalp, and can't nobody tell me different. This is my hair. Okay, stop playing with me. But yeah, this hair is super cute, and I just love it so much. And yeah, so if you guys like this hair, go ahead and keep watching and see how I installed it. 13x4, 24 inches. Yeah, it looks super cute. So if y'all think so too, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and y'all, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for this hair. It is super cute. It looks so good. I love this lace. It's so thin and easy to melt. The hair color is cute. This is from Nadula hair once again, and it's a 13x4 frontal. Yeah, 24 inches. And yeah, it looks super good. Like, I love it. I'm so in love. So make sure you check out this hair. Link will be in the description box. And thank you for 12K subscribers. I'm super excited. I'm trying to get back, y'all. I'm trying to get in the groove of things again, but I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing okay. I just need to edit my videos. I record them and I let them sit there, but I'm trying, y'all. But thank you for 12K. Keep on subscribing, keep liking my videos, giving them a big thumbs up, turn on my post notifications so you can see every time I post, and follow me on my social networkings. I appreciate you all. And hair videos always gonna be here, but also try and let me know what other things you guys want to see, because I want to kind of venture out from hair videos. So yeah, let me know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's only up from here.